Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from audio software called Audacity, and today I would like to show you how to use fade in and fade out effect. So basically, let's say this is our audio project. So let's just play it. Okay, as you can see, it's really just cut it for the use of this video. If you would like to find this song, it's free to use song from YouTube audio libraries, but of course the name you will have in the description of the video. Okay, so firstly, let's say we want to set up the fade in effect. Firstly, you need to do is to decide where you want to put your fade in and how long the fade in should be. So basically, let's listen once time. As we can hear, it is actually some kind of drop. So let's say we want to go from this part to the start of the song, and so this will be our fade in area. So after you select your part you want to fade in, simply you go to Effect and then click on fade in. As you can see, the shape of the waves changed. It set up actually the level from 0 to 100% of the original level. So we can now listen to it. So as you can see, during the time the power of this song is going stronger and stronger and then drop. So this is exactly what we wanted by fade in, and you can do the same at the end of the audio. Let's say we want to select this part to actually fade out a bit longer, you know. So then again, as I said, just simply select it, go to Effect and click on fade out. As you can see, again the volume is decreasing slightly, and now in the end of the video we can listen to it at all. Already we've used fade in and fade out effect. Okay, of course, as you could see at the output levels, we are really close to 0 levels, what is really not great. We should do some more changes to this audio to actually it could be perfect. We could, for example, normalize it or do any other stuff. If you want to know how to normalize your audio, just click on one of our previous videos. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button, or you can like the video. If you want, you can follow us on our Instagram, link in description, or you can become our patron in the Patreon, by what you can support our tutorial project. Okay, so as I said, that's all. If you have any idea or if you want to know anything else from the Audacity, simply write a comment below what you would like to see. That's all from us. Have a nice day and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.